In this review, I'll be reviewing this micro cube, and now it's called the world's smallest Rubik's cube. Now this is the package produced or sold by Superimposed Toys. Rubik's has this stuff, but when I go to the Superimposed website, the website is a website, but the website is somewhat broken, because when you go to certain links in certain sections of the website, it just says that it's either broken or it just doesn't really show up that much. And although this says it's the world's smallest Rubik's Cube, but technically it's not the world's smallest Rubik's Cube. The world's smallest Rubik's Cube is 5.7 millimeters big, which was made a few months ago. Now you may be thinking, wait, haven't you already reviewed a tiny Rubik's Cube about this size? Yes, I have. A few months ago I have. And that other cube is this one. Yeah. With this one is 19 millimeters, and I actually got it from a flea market, along with this cube and this missing link puzzle. And now with this, although it says on the package that it's the world's smallest Rubik's Cube, but if I would see this out on the shelf of a toy store, I would be thinking, whoa, that for like normal average non-cuber who does not know the majority of the history, or really the sort of knowing what exactly which cubes are certain size and what stuff like that. And like for the general public, we would be thinking, whoa, this is tiny. And for the price I paid for it, which was $6.99 plus $3.99 shipping, which is not bad, nor that super good. Bought it off of eBay, and a few days ago, I found out there was a few other listings on eBay for the exact same puzzle. So, essentially, you can buy it from several different sellers, but yeah. But this cube is actually not too terribly bad, not too terribly good, but of its size being like 20 millimeters, which is like about 21 millimeters, 20, yeah, and it's tiny though, and I feel like I just want to go out and buy a few more of these so that I can mod them into like Nightmare Bandage cube, put one on a cube, like put one on a necklace, and stuff like that. But with this cube, it has very sharp edges and corners. Yeah, the edges and corners are very, very sharp. And the colors are printed on. But since when it's printed on, if you can see from this orange one, it's starting to chip a little, but not much. And with its size and the feeling of it, it sort of feels like one of those sort of Rubik's Cube type related things that you would find at like a craft store or hobby store, someplace like that. And when I first unboxed it, it was stiff. But now, since I looped it, broken it in, it's a bit better. And stuff like that. And I've had some pops on it. And when it pops. And like shoots out a piece really fast across the room or something like that. Yeah. And although this turns decently right now, it's not very suitable for finger tricks or speed solving that much. Yeah. Let me get one side done so I can take it apart and show you what the mechanism's like. Alright, so taking apart the mechanism. And here's what the inside internals look like. There's no screw on this whatsoever. Because right here on this other end of the screwdriver there's a magnet. And there's not picking it up. Or well, this magnet is not that strong, but here, speed stack one's not picking it up. Versus like this other one, it picked it up. And yeah, like this. And then the edge of the corner, like this, hollow, edging, in hollow. And I'm super surprised that they managed to get that cube to be exactly the same mechanism as like an original cube. Yeah, an original Rubik's Cube. Yeah. Yeah, the exact same mechanism. Piece-wise. Yeah. For something that small. And also comparing the size-wise to a normal 3x3. It's like about this big. Comparing it to a normal standard size keychain cube. Not that big. Now, would I recommend buying this? It depends. Do you want to wait? Do you want to have this in your collection? If you want to really have it in your collection, then yes, I would recommend buying it. But if you are really if I'm recommending it as a speed cube perspective, no, it's not worth it. But it's definitely a really cool puzzle to have in your collection because there is not many Rubik's Cube that are mass-produced, widely available in this particular size. Yeah. And the colors are really good shades compared to each other. And overall, this is a really interesting cube. And I'll have a link down in the description to where you can buy one of these.